Welcome everyone to another Goodwin English grammar lesson. My name is Randy League and I'm your teacher for today. Today, we are going to take a look at the present simple tense form. So, today we are going to study the present simple tense. This can be used to talk about things that we do very often, or our habits. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Also, if my English is difficult for you, turn on the English subtitles and it may help you understand a little more. So, in what situations can we use this grammar? Well, we can use this to talk about our hobbies or our daily schedules. For example, I play golf every Saturday. It can also be used to talk about things that are true in general. For example, the Earth goes around the sun. Let's take a look at some more examples. I work in a factory. My sister works in a hospital. Terry lives in New York. Her parents live in Japan. It snows a lot in the winter. Let's take a look at how to make a sentence using this grammar. The present simple is very easy to make. We can use the basic form of a verb. For example, I wake up at 6 every day. She eats breakfast every day. Sometimes we have to change the verb a little. If we use I, we, you, they, then we can use the verb as it is, no change. We don't have to change the verb. For example, live, like, work, do. Let's look at some sentences. I live in Tokyo. We like baseball. You work in a bank. They do yoga every week. But if we use he, she, it, then we have to change the verb a little. We have to add s or sometimes es to the verb. For example, lives, likes, works, does. Let's look at some sentences. He lives in Tokyo. She likes baseball. He works in a bank. She does yoga every week. Very often, we will use other words with the present simple to make combinations. Words like always, never, often, usually, sometimes can be used with the present simple tense. Let's look at some examples. Randy always gets to work early. I never take a shower in the morning. We often go to a sushi restaurant on Saturday. Michael usually plays soccer on the weekends. I sometimes walk to school. Now, let's look at how to make a negative sentence using this grammar. It is very easy to make negative sentences with the present simple tense. We simply add not to the verb. I don't do yoga. She doesn't wake up at 7. Let's look at some more examples. I do not live in Los Angeles. She does not work in a hospital. It does not get cold in the winter. We can shorten do not to don't and does not to doesn't, like this. I don't live in Los Angeles. She doesn't work in a hospital. It doesn't get cold in the winter. Now, let's take a quick look at how to make some questions using the present simple tense. In English, there are two types of basic questions. There are yes/no questions, and there are information questions. Information questions ask for information, and they usually use question words like what, where, who, why, how, when. Let's take a look at some information questions. Where do you live? I live in Jacksonville. What time do you usually go to school? I usually go to school around 8. What sports do you like? I like baseball. Yes/no questions are questions that can be answered by yes or no. Let's take a look at some yes/no questions. Do you like soccer? Yes, I do. Do they live in Tokyo? No, they don't. Does she usually take a bath at night? No, she doesn't. Now, let's listen to our sample conversation. Listen carefully, because after, I'm going to ask you some questions about the conversation.
Let's go to the movies on Saturday.
Okay, but let's not go early. I sleep late on the weekends.
What time do you get up on Saturdays?
At 11 o'clock.
That's not very late. I usually get up at noon.
Do you eat breakfast then?
I eat breakfast every day.
Okay, let's meet at Jimmy's restaurant at 1 o'clock. They serve breakfast all day on Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you some questions about the conversation you've just listened to. Try to answer as best you can. Good luck. Number 1. Where does Jason want to go on Saturday? Where does Jason want to go on Saturday? Number 2. What time does Steve wake up on Saturdays? What time does Steve wake up on Saturdays? Number 3. What time does Jason usually wake up on Saturdays? What time does Jason usually wake up on Saturdays? Number 4. Does Jason eat breakfast every day? Does Jason eat breakfast every day? Number 5. Why will they go to Jimmy's restaurant? Why will they go to Jimmy's restaurant? Okay, now let's go over the answers. Number 1. Where does Jason want to go on Saturday? He wants to go to the movies. Number 2. What time does Steve wake up on Saturdays? He wakes up at 11. Number 3. What time does Jason usually wake up on Saturdays? He wakes up at noon. Number 4. Does Jason eat breakfast every day? Yes, he does. Number 5. Why will they go to Jimmy's restaurant? Because they serve breakfast all day on Saturday. Now, I'm going to ask you some similar questions. This time, I want you to answer using your own personal information. Try to use the grammar that you just learned. What time do you usually wake up on Sunday? What time do you usually wake up on Sunday? What time do you usually go to bed on Monday? What time do you usually go to bed on Monday? Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you drink coffee in the morning? Do you drink coffee in the morning? Do you drink tea in the morning? Do you drink tea in the morning? Okay guys, that is it for today's lesson. Don't forget that we have a part 2 to this lesson. Part 2 has a lot of practice and exercises that will help you use what you learned today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot, and don't forget to push the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.